Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to replace the dust bag in DREAME D20 Plus. In order to replace the dust bag, you should remove the top cover. Then you'll see the dust bag located right here. There's a tab that you'll need to pull. It somehow requires more force than any other vacuum that I've ever seen, but well, now it's removed. And to put another one in, you just slide it in there. You can see it automatically locks as you pull the tab, so the dust doesn't fall out. Well, mine's fully clean, so I can just put it in just like that. Make sure not to get a piece caught in the place where you slide it in, because I did get a few times. And then you can put the cover on top. And that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.